Hi, good day guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on Allergy's consumer electronics within South Africa. In this episode, guys, we're going to be looking at the Steam functionality found in Allergy top loaders. And if you want to find out what models in South Africa come with the Steam feature, then look into the video description. But without wasting further more time, let's look at that Steam functionality. So how does the top loader actually produce steam? There's a heat element located at the bottom of the drum that actually boils the water to produce steam, and this is available in two important steam functions available on the top loader. So you're on your way to work, driving in your car, you have a cup of coffee in hand, and oopsie doopsie, you drop your coffee onto your white shirt. That is a super tough stain to remove. Use the stain care program, which will boil water up to 40 degrees, and that will help remove tough stains. The second program is if you have sensitive skin, a newborn baby, or you just want to remove bacteria from your clothing, you could use the Allergy care program, which will boil water up to 60 degrees to produce the steam in order to remove allergens as well as bacteria. So the steam feature definitely comes in handy to remove those tough stains, remove allergens as well as bacteria in an Allergy top loader. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, remember to leave a like as well as subscribe. And if you have furthermore questions regarding the topic steam functionality in the top loader, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. But as always guys, stay good until the next one.